20 lines about myself. My name is Arjun Mehta. I am 13 years old. I live in Mumbai. I am a student of class 7 at Sunrise Model School. My father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. I have an elder sister who studies in college. I am a punctual and disciplined student. My teachers describe me as sincere and helpful. My favorite subject is mathematics. I enjoy solving puzzles and playing chess. I also love watching science documentaries. I like to keep my room clean and organized. I always respect my elders and teachers. I believe that hard work leads to success. My aim is to become an engineer. I participate in all school activities. I have won several prizes in elocution competitions. I also enjoy gardening during my free time. I try to learn something new every day. This is all about me. Thank you.